Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm bringing you a super easy tutorial of my 3-strand twist out. This video is sponsored by Cantu. I will be using their brand new avocado line, which has avocado oil as well as the shea butter, which you can find in the rest of their other ranges. I believe that they are officially out. They have launched, and all the products I use in this video will be available in the description box. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. To wash my hair, I did use the shampoo and conditioner from the range. I found the shampoo to be nourishing, similarly to the original one. For me, it was also very easy for me to finger detangle. One thing that I did notice is that the consistency of this one seems to be slightly more fluid or looser than the other version, and I found that that made it a little bit easier to kind of distribute it evenly, which was quite nice. In terms of the conditioner, similarly to the shampoo, it was quite easy for me to finger detangle with. I didn't have an opportunity today to deep condition before or after. However, I found that my hair still felt quite soft when I finished that whole wash process. This is what the leave-in looks like. I will say that in terms of smell, this particular range is more subtle. It has a much more subtle aroma. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. Yeah, I like the smell. I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but I like it. Each of these sections, what I usually do is I only divide them into two. I'm not really one for small twists to do a twist out. It's just too much work, and the payoff is just not enough for me to buy into it. So each section will be divided into two, and I'm now gonna go in with the curling cream. And it says to moisturize and define for frizz-free curls. One thing I noticed is that each one of these products actually tells you the expectation that you should have for it at the very front. So off the bat, you know what to expect. I keep smelling it because I'm trying to think of the word to describe the aroma for you guys, so you know what I'm talking about, but it is not coming to me, so never mind. So let's go in with a little bit of that curling cream. I'm going to use about this much per section, so it's not a lot. So you want to divide each section in 3. And how I like to do my 3-strand twist is that I like to begin actually braiding it so that the roots aren't puffy or too puffy. It also allows me to pick up little hairs, and I'll braid that for about 1 inch down. Okay, and so you see these are my 3 sections, and to do a 3-strand twist, you're literally going to bring your, depending on what side you're twisting to. So this is my right, and I'm going to bring my right all the way over to my left and grab it. That middle hair stays stationary, and then I'm going to bring the right to the left again, and literally that's what you're going to do. You're going to keep just passing the hair over, and that's how you do a 3-strand twist. You're literally passing the right to the left each time, and everybody gets a go on the train, essentially. So each strand gets a go, you pass it, and then they move along. So this one goes that way, and then that one moves that way, that one moves that way, and then all over again. And that's it. I lost my finger movement there, but this is it, and then you just keep going. Everybody gets a go. I don't know if you guys could tell, but each time I move my hand down the entirety of the strand, and that allows me to just smooth it down as I go. That helps to reduce frizz, and it also helps with definition, and it also helps with a more even curl pattern when you're done, okay? And it just helps it to look a bit neat as well. So even if you were to wear these for like a few days, by smoothing it out, your hair just looks neat. Now we have about 2 inches left. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of that curling cream. I'm going to smooth my ends down completely. And then I'm going to coil it. So this is what I do. My 3-strand twist consists of a braid, a 3-strand twist, and a coil. Coil it, smooth it down. Then I go back in again. And I will coil it. And smooth it again, and that's it. This is it. The curling cream is so far it's helping to really kind of like tame my hair. And one thing that I always like when I apply product is that I will continue smoothing my hair until it feels smooth, and this has a really good slip to it, so it's making that process easy. I can feel it. I can feel it coating my hair, but not in a way that I don't want. So.
Jollof, Jollof on the jet. I can't get enough. Jollof on the jet. Vanny boy, bust up my neck. Pakora fimbo mechi kali vile geto na kachakaza. Munya chaga boko ni bilio yani no kunyamaza. Yeah, you turn good man to be bad man for your lover. Yeah, you wanna eat, I go give you cucumber and my cassava. Papa soft, una que pele, pase ni chune, yo te me chele. Kula baga, nile te pele. Acha si mata na shawa unekere. Baby, you don't know that you're the one who lives in my soul. I want you to know, I will never let you go. Baby. Oh yeah, pass the jollof, jollof on the jet. That party jollof, jollof on the jet. I can't get enough.
And this is what my 3-strand twists look like before they dry. I'll show you guys. Hopefully you can see me. There's a tsunami happening outside right now. The last time I was on here, there was like a heat wave and it was hellfire hot. And today there's a damn tsunami happening outside. It's like raining like crazy. Yeah. Okay, so this is it.
Jollof on the jet, make you pass the jollof. Jollof on the jet, that party jollof. Jollof on the jet, me I can't get enough. Jollof on the jet, jollof on the jet, jollof on the jet. Girl, you dey ginger me, you dey confuse me, no get malo. Girl, you dey ginger me, anytime, any day. You dey confuse me, girl, you dey ginger me. Confuse me, no mechi mechi kali vile geto na kachakaza.